Your energy levels are secretly controlled by tiny batteries inside your cells, and if you ignore them, you're aging faster than you should. That's right, folks. I'm talking about your mitochondria, those little power plants in every cell that turn pizza, coffee, and even oxygen into pure, usable energy. But here's the scary part. When your mitochondria start slacking, you feel it. Fatigue, brain fog, slower recovery, and worst of all, your cells age quicker. Scientists have found that mitochondrial damage speeds up aging and can even shorten lifespan. Yikes! Think of your mitochondria like a team of tiny factory workers. If you feed them junk, stress them out, and never give them the right tools, they start making mistakes. And those mistakes? They're called free radicals, little troublemakers that wreck your cells over time. The result? You feel decades older than you are. But here's the good news. You can upgrade your mitochondria. And when you do, more energy, sharper focus, and a body that doesn't quit on you as you age. So how do you keep these microscopic powerhouses happy? First, move your body. Exercise literally trains your mitochondria to work better. Second, eat the good stuff, healthy fats, antioxidants, and nutrients that keep them running smooth. But let's be real, even with a perfect diet, modern life, stress, toxins, and just getting older beats up your mitochondria. That's where Mitolan comes in. Mitolan is a cutting-edge mitochondrial supplement packed with clinically studied ingredients like CoQ10, PQQ, and alpha-lipoic acid, all designed to recharge your cellular batteries, fight off free radicals, and keep your energy high for the long haul. Studies show that supporting mitochondrial health can slow down cellular aging, improve stamina, and even help you stay sharper as you get older. So, if you're tired of feeling drained by 3 p.m. or worried your body's running out of juice too soon, this is your wake-up call. Your mitochondria are the key to feeling younger, stronger, and more alive. Don't let them fade out. Click the link in the description to try Mitolan today and give your cells the upgrade they deserve. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now go show those mitochondria some love. Your energy levels depend on it.